Hello everyone, this is Alexander McKinnon, and for this video I have here croquettes. Alright, and for those who do not know who croquettes are, the way I'll describe it is imagine kind of like it's like a hot pocket or like a nugget with typically meat or cheese, or both, wrapped in like a nugget kind of mixed with spices. This ones here in particular are based off a ham and cheese recipe. So these I used different kinds of cheeses in my house. I have Parmesan, Swiss, Munster. Then meat I just used hot dog, ground up hot dogs. Mixed that with Italian seasoned parsley, paprika, nutmeg, chili powder, garlic powder, a little bit of chopped onion powder or whatever, chopped onion, you get dried onion. Mix that all up into nuggets. Then roll it in flour, then egg wash, which is just mixed up egg, scrambled egg thing, not cooked. Dipped into that, and then dip it into breadcrumbs. I have here kind of like panko Italian seasoning crumbs. Then you fry that, and recipe called for sunflower oil, but I used vegetable oil. All right, and it's kind of a first-time attempt. And they also, when you cut into them, should be soft in the middle, and preferably you're looking for a gooey consistency, sort of like a hot pocket sort of. This, as you can see, sort of has it. These have been cooled down for a while though as well. But yeah, if you like these videos, stay tuned and I'll make some more. Thumbs up. Like for more, subscribe, and share friends and family. I'll stay in tune. All right, bye-bye.